Hey guys, so today I will be installing this Upart wig by Unice. It does have 4 combs, 2 on the side and also 1 at the top and 1 on the bottom. So I'm going to start off by just clipping the Upart wig on my hair. My roots are a little bit thick because I am a couple months post relaxer, but just ignore that. We'll be able to work with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure that the wig is secured on my head before moving on to the next step. All right, so now that I feel that the wig is secured, I'm gonna go ahead and just comb through the wig just to make sure it's just gonna be easy for me to work with and it doesn't get in the way. So now we're going to go ahead and start working on the leave out. I'm just going to go ahead and remove the rubber band and start unraveling my hair. I was a little indecisive on where I wanted to part my hair. I wasn't sure if I wanted a side part or if I wanted a middle part, but eventually I just decided on the side part. Okay, so now I am unraveling my perimeter braids. I had braided the perimeter of my hair because I didn't want any track showing. I wanted this to be as natural as possible, so that is why I have the perimeter braids in place so they can cover the tracks. Guys, I was so happy because my relaxed hair was blending perfectly with the unit, and so I knew that the end result was going to turn out nice. So we're going to go ahead and start flat ironing my hair. I'm going to be using the Ceramic Tools flat iron to do this. Like I mentioned earlier, guys, I was a couple months post relaxer in this video, so my roots were very thick. So this side is done, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on to the next side. Guys, this hairstyle was so easy. Like, I mean, this didn't even take me 30 minutes to do. So if you guys have leave out and you guys could actually try this look out, I would recommend it. I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling this braid now. Alrighty guys, we're almost done, but not quite yet. I'm just going to take my oil sheen, I'm going to spray my hair and also the wig and just start blending that together. I just wanted a really nice, classy, soft look. So that is what I was trying to achieve. So I'm just taking my Revlon curling wand and I'm just going to curl the ends of the hair. As you guys can see, they're not very tight curls, but that's what I was going for. I was just going for more of a something soft and loose. I'm just going to head over to the other side and start doing the same thing. As far as in my leave out, it didn't really take much for it to blend with the wig. It just worked out perfectly for me. Like, it just looked very natural, like it was growing out of my scalp. As you guys can see, you don't really see any tracks, and it really just looks like it's my hair. Alright guys, so we're all done here. How did I do? Do you guys like it? Like, let me know. I really love this hairstyle. This is perfect for work or brunch or even a night out. It just really depends on what you put on and how you style the hair, but I love this, guys. I literally went to Starbucks after this video and I got so many compliments on this hairstyle. So it's super easy, super affordable. Everything you guys need to know about this wig and the products that I use will be in my description box below. So just make sure you guys check that out. Please, before you leave, hit the subscribe button if you guys enjoy this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video.